I just had to let you know you're.
Corrosion is a relentless adversary in the maritime industry, particularly in areas exposed to harsh salt air and aggressive cargo. Effective inspection requires a systematic approach, moving from a general visual survey to detailed non-destructive testing or NDT.
Cargo holds are subject to mechanical damage from like loading equipment and chemical corrosion from specific cargoes like coal or sulfur. Structural integrity focus on the lower third of the holds. Inspect the inner bottom plating for indentation from the shell plating coating. Condition lock for blistering or hard scale. If the coating is gone, the steel is sacrificial. Piping and leather check bilge suction pipes and protection brackets. Corrosion often hides behind pipe guards.
Hatch cover are a primary defense against water ingress. Even mirror corrosion here can lead to cargo damage of loss of buoyancy. Can inspection area, sealing agreements, inspection, rubber packing for permanent set, handling of crack, check of permission, bar from corrosion of webbiness that prevent of watertight cell. Engaging channel ensure of non-return valves of drain hole of clear if these are routes shut water localized pitting machine pitting check the condition of ducts wedges and wells corrosion of this moving part of lead improper corrosion pressure tips pro tips used to check test of ultrasonic check test to verify cell if the child dose transfer from the compressor bar to the rubber your cell of compromised.
Number 3 is ballast tanks. Ballast tanks are the most corrosion prone areas due to the constant wet dry cycle and the presence of salt water. Methods of detection: visual examination. Inspectors look for anodic pitting, deep holes, or general corrosion surface thinning. Pay close attention to the splash zone at the top of the tank. Anode inspection. Sacrificial anodes, zinc or aluminum, should be checked for depletion. If they are 100% intact, they aren't working. If they are 90% gone, they need replacement.
Techniques: measurement, UTM use ultrasonic technique measurement designed to determine the actual remaining steel. Techniques that hammer test and traditional but effective method: typing a recording area with a scaling hammer can reveal dense post by the song production or by the hammer pushing through heavily steel. Safety first, insetting their area, especially ballast tank involving a closed space entry. Never enter without verify oxygen and gas level. Oxygen should be 20.9 degrees. Avail inclusion space inter permit and stable person and the interested safety light test.